Oh yeah, she's sharp. She's sharp. Sharpen my blades a couple times a season. Usually every other month. I did my first two big cuttings already. I kind of ground up any nasty stuff that's been laying around. So leave the rest of the season with some sharp blades. Like I said, probably about every other month I take them off again, sharpen them. I cut weekly, sometimes twice. Okay, two mowers cleaned, blade sharpened. I have a plug on one I need to change. I have generally changed the motor oil once or twice a season. Right now I'm at a 30 weight, so I need to get some. But I like to drain that out while it's hot anyway. It runs a little thinner. I see some guys using the vacuum method that Alan Hain introduced recently. I still just like to get the oil warm, turn the mower on its side, catch it in a pan, and then I just put it in a jug. When I get a gallon of waste oil, I take it to my auto parts store. Alright, change this plug out, check the gap, and on to the next thing. Alright, I like to change my plugs out every couple of years. This is my Toro 22-inch rear drive recycler. It's been a while, so I'm going to knock this plug out. I have a replacement for my NGK BR2LM plug. I'm going to pop that baby out. It's only going to take a minute, and we're going to check the gap. Always hard to get it started the first time when it's been laying on its side. I've got to prime it and pull it a few times. So it's sputtering a little. To until the fuel works its way through. She's good to go. Difference between these two mowers is the air cleaner. This is a different model. On this one, I'll replace this at some point during the summer. I just haven't gotten around to getting these yet. But I had bought this plug last year and I just never got it on. This one you have to prime to start. I have my other Toro 22-inch recycler rear drive. This one does not have a bulb primer. It's self-priming. Always starts on the first pull. They both do. And this one does have a different air filter assembly, which is located in here. If I have a screwdriver, there is a big air filter back in here. I change that annually also. Again, I just haven't picked those up. So I'll get some oil and I'll get some air filters. Also, this mower, I have a broken wheel right here. This snapped, so this wheel is wobbling. So I gotta pick a wheel up. All right, guys, welcome back to Lawn Journeys. You may remember last time we did my first N-Ext application in Fumic 12. What we're doing today is RGS and aerate. This is the first time this season. It's April 5th. I'm gonna get this down. Things are greening up. I'm gonna be in about another week doing another application of granular fertilizer and a couple other things that I've been working on. I have a couple broadleaf weeds and a few dandelions showing up already, although I have to say my weeds are pretty sparse. I did a pre-emergent in the fall. I hit it early here in March, and I'm looking pretty good. So I'm going to do some spot broadleaf control. I'm not going to spray the entire lawn, but anyway, going to be doing the minimum today because I like to spray and I'm going to spray often. So I'm going to do 3 ounces per 1,000, and like I said, I have about 9,000 total. I'm using the Ortho dial sprayer. I'm doing it in zones, 3 zones. So I'm not going to load the entire cup up. I don't want it to get too thick. It flowed pretty good last time, so I'm going to see how these two flow together at 3 ounces per 1,000. So let's go mix it up. Okay, team. I shook this up already. RGS is 3 ounces per 1,000. My first zone I'm covering is 3,300 square feet. So I'm going to go with 10 ounces. Let's open this up. Brand new. Whew, I can smell it from here. So that is the goodness of RGS. So let's pour the goodness out. We're gonna go 10 ounces. I used to inspect sewage plants, and it's a little bit reminiscent. A little bit. So we're going to drop 10 ounces in here. The aerate. So if we go with the minimum application rate of 6 ounces per 1,000, I'm looking at approximately 18 ounces of aerate. And again, this is a brand new container. So we're going to crack this one open and give it a shake. And I'm gonna go 16. Look at that. Black goodness. There's 16 ounces. Aerate. I'm gonna get this into my Ortho sprayer. It's pretty thick. Let's see how this comes out. I'm gonna top this off with water, and I'm gonna get putting my application down on my 3,300 square foot zone. So let's see how that flows. Okay guys, got the RGS, got the aerate down. I did split into separate applications on my back lawn. It's 3,300 square feet. It's fun to spray, so it didn't take me that long. So I mixed up the RGS first, did the back 3,300, mixed it up again, hit it with the aerate. The front, which is only 1,500 square feet, I mixed it all together, and I actually went over it twice anyway when I had it set at 2.5 ounces. I ended up jacking it up to 3. So I got the mowers clean, changed the spark plug, I got to do oil still, sharpen the blades, got that done. You know, odds and ends today. I actually dug out some grasses that were grown into a Styrex japonica, which I'll show you guys on a later date. When that thing starts blooming, it's really nice. So in any case, that's my lawn journey today, and that's what's going on here. And I'm just keeping up with things, trying to get things done. Believe it or not, Amazon finally showed up today with my PGF Complete. It's one of my favorite fertilizers. It's getting really hard to get some stuff out of Amazon. So I actually went back to Lawn Care Nut today. I ordered some Carbon X. I think I got like 50 pounds. That's probably enough to do a couple applications on my lawn. With everything that's going on, I'm having a bad feeling that it's still going to be hard to get some products. So anyway, I'm going to clean this thing up, make sure it's not nothing dries out in it, gets caked up. Like I said, I am going to be doing a review on my Ego blower. I also have an Ego edger. I'll be doing a separate review on that. I just need to find some time to sit down and get that started because I want to do a decent job. I want to go over it. I want to show you guys all the controls on it. I want to show you the battery. I want to show you how it charges, how you check the power level. So I hope you guys can subscribe, come on back, follow me. I'd like to follow you. You know, leave some notes below. You know, let me know if you have a channel that's going. I'd like to see what you're up to too. So, all right, guys. That's it for today. I'll be back as soon as possible. Get out there, get your stuff done. Don't put it off. I spent my whole Sunday outside today, working from home, going back to work tomorrow. So even if it's a beautiful day, I'm not going to be out here. I want to get as much done today as possible. All right. Catch you guys next time.